Okay, the next thing we're going to talk about is one of the most exciting new features that YouTube has added over the last few months, and that's the external annotations. Now what this does is this allows you to connect your video directly to your website. So for instance, you could have a button inside of your video or an annotation inside of your video that when people click on it, it goes directly to your website. As you can imagine, this is huge for marketers to be able to drive traffic directly to their websites from their YouTube videos. Now, unfortunately, this is a little bit trickier to accomplish, and part of that is because depending upon your channel and when you do this, things may look a little bit different for you because YouTube keeps changing this. And right now, as I'm recording this, I've actually got, I have a lot of different channels, and two of my channels look completely different in the way that this is handled. So I'm going to cover both of those right now. I'm going to switch over to this account here. And you can see this one has external annotations already set up. After becoming a partner, this turned green. And you'll see that on the left-hand side, they have a section called Associated Website. Now, for many of you, this may just say the word Advanced. But for those of you that have Associated Website, let's check that out. Okay, you will see right here, there is the Associated Website page, and you can add or remove a page. So I'm going to hit remove for just a second here. And if you add your website and hit add, you will then see that you have to verify the site. Now, obviously, this is a made-up site, so we're not going to leave this way, but for our purposes here, you'll put in your website, and it'll say to associate with this, you must verify that you own it. So you're going to click the Verify button, and you'll be taken to the Google Webmaster page, and on here, you'll be able to verify by downloading an HTML file and uploading it directly to your website. So let me show you how that works. We're going to hit the HTML Verify. You can see it downloaded a small file, and what we're going to do next is we're just going to add that file to our website. So I've opened up an FTP program, and I'm just going to go and grab that file. It downloads, and you can see the file is right here. It'll be called Google, and then a whole bunch of numbers and letters, .html. You're going to take that, and you're going to drag it to the main directory of your website. So in this case, www. For some of you that may say public HTML, something of that nature. But basically where you would drop your entire website, this is where you would put that file. And hit continue, and it'll upload the file to your server. And when you're done, you'll just hit the word verify, and it'll take you back to the Associated Website page, and it'll tell you that you've successfully verified this. Now, obviously, I've re-verified the actual website, not yourwebsite.com. And that's how you associate your website if you have this Associated Website tab on the left side of your screen. For many of you, you're going to see something a little bit different, and it's going to say Advanced. And if you hit the Advanced in there, you'll see that that option is not here at all. And the reason is because you have to do this manually. Okay, and the way that we do this manually is just open up another tab, and you're going to go to Google.com /webmaster, webmasters rather. Okay, and you'll want to sign in to your Webmaster Tools, and in this case you're going to want to sign in with the same username that you're using inside of YouTube. And once you're inside here, you may or may not have websites in here. If you use Google Webmaster Tools, there may be stuff here. If you don't, this may be empty, and that's okay. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is, if your website is not here, you're going to first want to hit the Add a Site button. Type in the website. Hit Continue. Okay. And now you'll be taken to a page that shows you information about that particular website. But what we want to do here is we want to go to Configuration, hit the drop down, and hit Associates. When you do so, you'll come to a blank page like this, and you're going to hit Add a New User. You're going to put in that same username that you use for your YouTube channel. And you're going to click the YouTube button here, hit add, and you'll see you now have this here. Just turn it on, clicking the radio button, and you're all set. So now your website should be available for using external annotations. So we're going to go back to YouTube. I'm going to go to my video manager, and we're going to take a look at a video and show you how to use this particular tool. We'll choose this video here. And I'm going to go directly to annotations. We'll silence that for a minute. You can see here as this video loads, it's going to go to, okay, so here we've got a graphic that's already uploaded on here. It says click here to speed up your Mac for free. And if you click on this annotation, you will see that the annotation goes around here, around this block of graphic here. And we've added a spotlight annotation. So just to show you how we did that, you can hit add annotation, click spotlight. And if we wanted to have, let's say, this text up here that's only there temporarily be our button that we can click, you would just drag this over that graphic. Okay. And then you would turn this to invisible so that you'll see a black line here, but when the video plays, you won't see this black box around there. It'll be blank. Okay. And then what we want to do is hit link. And you'll see there's a few different options for the link for this. We got video, we've got playlist, channel, subscribe, fundraising project, associated website, and merch. Now the only one we're going to worry about right here is associated website. And this is your personal website that you just associated with your account. So in my case, it's raythevideoguy.com. So if I put in and you can see it keeps saying invalid URL here. As soon as I finish typing that in, boom, it says preview. We can go there. Now, it doesn't have to be your main website here. You can actually send it to a page. So in this case, Detox, and it will still work. Once you've done this, you're just going to hit save. And then publish. And now when you go to watch the video, even though this only pops up for a second, this will now be an active link directly back to your website. So let's take a quick look at this. Okay, and now if we go over into this area here, we will see that this annotation is here. And if you click on this, it's going to take us to that website, which then forwards to Detox My Mac. So in my case here, I have this annotation going to raythevideoguy.com/detox, and then I have that forwarding to Detox My Mac's website as an affiliate page here so that I can make money every time there's a sale made. Okay, so that's how you set up and use the external links. I know it's a bit of a difficult process with a lot of weird steps. And again, if you have any trouble, please feel free to visit our Facebook page or send me an email so that I can help you out with that, because I know it can be confusing. And who knows, next week they may change this again a little bit, so I will keep up to date on that. So just feel free to contact me to find out about any changes or if you have any